Today's featured SUV of the day is a 1978 Jeep Wagoneer SJ Cherokee Chief. And this one was at my local classic car auction in Palm Springs, California. And it sold for $22,000. And I would read from the owner's comments, but unfortunately there weren't any. So I don't know what the mileage was or anything. But it was definitely a good looker. Looks like it had a nice candy gold paint job on it and some black wheels and kind of a two-tone black and gold combination, which looked real good. And as far as the Cherokee Chiefs go, from the research I've done, I guess they were only made in 2 years, 77 and 78. And I may be wrong on that, but looks like they sold 40,698 of the SJ Cherokee, which includes the two-door Cherokee Chief and the other Wagoneers. And the Cherokee Chief was a two-door version on a 109-inch wheelbase, which, like I said, was introduced in 77 and went into 78. But anyway, that's today's featured SUV of the day, a 1978 Jeep SJ Wagoneer Cherokee Chief that sold at my local classic car auction in Palm Springs, California for $22,000. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos. This will take you over to my channel page, Truck Finder, and you can look for something else that looks interesting to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.